Jamie Malonzo has moved to Japan, and for me, that's actually a really great move. Mag-i-improve yung career niya. Hopefully, he becomes a better shooter, gets better with his basketball IQ while he's in Japan, and mababalik rin naman kasi sa Gilas yan eh. Nagpaalam naman daw siya kay Boss Al Francis Chua at kay Coach Tim Cone. This makes Ginebra now vulnerable at the 3 spot. Although, there are some people na nagsasabi na Stephen Holt could be moved to the 3 spot, although an undersized 3. He has played the 3 while he was with Terra Firma. Jeremiah Gray could get more minutes. Nards Pinto. And maybe even Ralph Koo. You'll never know kanino mapupunta yung minutes si Jamie Malonzo. That's easily, 28 to 31, 32 minutes of playing time. This will be the chance of Ginebra to actually try out their players. Instead of looking for a new player sa draft or a trade, maybe they could look inwards first and try to see if they could replace someone like Jamie Malonzo. I would vouch for having more minutes for Ralph Koo, pero that's a personal bias. But then again, congratulations to Jamie Malonzo. The last Filipino player that actually played dun sa team niya sa Kyoto in Japan was Matthew Wright. So hopefully he lives up to the expectations, and Laban Pilipinas, we have Gilas games coming soon.